The HM100 and 700 cameras do ship with software that allows you to change the metadata on your MP4 files. Now, in all honesty, this clip manager that ships with the JVC cameras seems a little limited compared to Sony's version, which is already at version 2.7. So I would actually recommend that you Google the Sony version, and we just are going to go Sony XDCAM transfer and look for the official Sony site. It's the first one that comes up, the PDZKP1. That's the official name of the software. And okay, so as of today's date, we actually have version 2.9 available. So let's click on download free of charge. And we just go through the same thing where we accept. There we go. It's the XDCAM transfer. Click download. And then download the file. And now I'm going to install Sony's XDCAM transfer. So just click XDCAM transfer 2.9. And then select your Macintosh hard drive. Now we can customize this. We've already downloaded the plugin for Final Cut Pro. So we have the JVC version in there. Now it's totally up to you. You can overwrite that and use the Sony version if you'd like. But for the moment, I'm going to leave the JVC version. And they should both work either way, I assume, since both cameras record all of the same formats, that it won't make a difference. But I would, for the moment, I'm just going to deselect that. And that's in the custom install. And now I can just say install. Great. When that's done, you just have to click restart. Now we've rebooted, and we're just going to go into our applications folder and boot up XDCAM transfer. And it's going to ask us where we want all these files to be kept, and we'll just leave it on the default settings. So now it's just warning me that the XDCAM drive software is missing, which I don't need and I don't care about. All that matters is that the XDCAM EX codecs are installed. So we'll just click OK. Okay, so now Sony's software has automatically read the card that is installed, and it's a much simpler looking interface. Let's just expand it full size here. So now as we click on these clips, we can see all of this metadata over here. And we can change the names of these clips, so essentially we can log them. We have full logging abilities here as well. This is just really great. It's a huge step up from the clip manager that ships with the JVC cameras. And of course, we can also wrap all of these MP4s into QuickTime, so that instead of using the log and transfer utility in Final Cut Pro, if you're not using Final Cut Pro and you shot some stuff on MP4, well, you can wrap them in this free program. So let's just take a few of these clips here. Sony refers to the wrapping process as importing. So we can just right-click once we've made a selection and just select Import. The clips are now copied and wrapped into QuickTime simultaneously. And they're being written into the folder that the software asked us about at the very beginning when we launched. And that folder happens to be here in Movies, Sony XDCAM Transfer, and you'll see it took the name of the card, which was untitled, and here they are. These are these 5 clips now, and they've been wrapped in QuickTime. So now I can start editing with these right away.